Hi, this is Marvin from WiWU Middle East, and thank you for tuning in, whether you're watching on our YouTube channel or any other media outlet out there. So today we will be doing another review, and this time around we will be doing the review of the WiWU Foldable Mini Wireless Keyboard. This is one of our wireless keyboards that we have in the market right now. So we will do the unboxing and also take a close look at some features of this wireless keyboard. So without taking too much time, let's dive right into it. All right, so this is the WiWU Foldable Mini Wireless Keyboard, and so we will just go ahead to unbox it and take a close look of some of the features. So before we go ahead to open the box to see what's in the box, let's just have an overview of the box, what is written on the box. So right here we have the WiWU logo, and here we have Premium Original, which is just like mark to denote the quality of this product. And here we have foldable design, here we have strong compatibility, and here we have portable. Looking at the side, we have of course the WiWU design for mobile lifestyle, which is our slogan. And so behind we have the image of the product in use, and here we have just some other details. So basically everything on it, there are just some product functions that are written on the box. And so we will just go ahead now to open the box, and we see what is in the box, and we talk more on the features. So we will just keep this aside. And so this is how the product is being placed. This is how the product is placed in the box. So we have this thin film of paper which is placed on it, you know, just to keep it neat and clean. So we will keep this aside. And now this is the pouch, because in the box we have the mini keyboard, it is placed inside a pouch. So this is how it is being packed. It is packed, and we will just go ahead and take this out. And so here is our mini keyboard, and here is the pouch. It comes in this pouch, and then behind the pouch we have this little stand which we are going to talk about ahead. So let's keep this pouch aside. So also in this box we have this little box, and what is in this little box is just the charging cable that we use to charge our WiWU Foldable Mini keyboard. This is just the charging cable. So what comes from the box, this little box, is just the charging cable that we use to charge our keyboard. So let's open this up. So as we can see, this is the cable. This is the cable that comes from the box. So actually this keyboard uses the USB to micro cable. So you basically plug this micro cable into the keyboard, and then you can charge it using this USB input. So we're going to talk about it also ahead. So let me keep this here, and let's check more what is in the box. So we keep this little box aside. And so this is just the manual, the user manual, which explains to you how to use this keyboard. So basically there is nothing more, just this manual. In case if you want to know how to use the keyboard, like you need help, everything is stated down in this manual. And this other little paper is just this little leaflet is just the product certification, just certifying this product certification by WiWU. So we just keep this aside. And lastly we have this cover. This is what you know, just part of the box that encloses the keyboard, so we'll just keep it aside as well. All right, so this is everything that came from the box. And so we basically have the charging cable, which is the USB to micro, and we have the pouch that had the we have the pouch that enclosed the keyboard, and also behind here we have this little side pocket that enclosed this little stand, which we are going to elaborate on before. So starting off with the pouch, it's kind of leather. It's kind of a leather pouch, and you can see here the sewing work is very great, and it's a good pouch which is going to last you a long time. And this is basically because you might need to move around with your keyboard, and so you don't need to carry the keyboard just like this. So you basically you normally have to put it in your pouch, so it should be safe and make it portable enough and stay out of danger, so you don't get to destroy your keyboard that fast. So you basically just put it in the pouch, and then you have this little stand, you put it behind here, and you are good to go. So it is a leather pouch. The sewing work is quite great, as it's a nylon that is used to sew it intact, and that is it. It has this little magnet here which helps to snap it together so it can keep it close. So that's it about the pouch. So let's keep it aside. Moving on, we have this little stand which I mentioned earlier. I was going to talk about it. So this stand basically helps you to mount whatever device you want to connect your keyboard to. So it can be maybe your iPad, it can be your mobile phone, whichever device you want to connect here, either your iPad or your mobile phone. It is totally good to go, and you can basically change the position, like the angle that you want to work at, as you can see. So let's just do a quick demonstration. Let me use this mobile phone. So as I was saying, it is something like this. You can simply mount your mobile phone like this, as well as you can change the angles. As you can see, as I'm changing the angles, maybe you want it to be in an upright position, or you want it to be slanted like this. So it's totally up to you. So that is the purpose of this stand. So I will keep this mobile phone aside, and so you can mount your iPad, you can mount your mobile phone, you can change the angles that you want to work at, then you want to work from, then you're good to go. So let's keep this stand aside. So now talking about the keyboard itself, let's open this up. It opens up like this. This is the way it is. So as I mentioned before, it is totally foldable. So as you can see here, and it has like some sort of magnet here which pulls it together and keep it good to go, so it keep it safe. So basically we open it up like this, and this is the way it opens up. So to demonstrate how we charge it before we move ahead, you simply take your micro cable and then you plug it here, and you're good to go. So you basically use any USB port that you can use, and you can charge your keyboard. So let's keep this cable aside. So moving on, we have the keyboard. This is a keyboard. It is basically simple but very, very useful. As you can see, we have the number part up here, we have the buttons, everything is there. Enter, shift, cap lock, tap, all the buttons are available. Also we have the shortcuts in case if you want to use it for media playback. We have pause, we have play, we have next or forward, we have previous or backward. It is there. You want to mute, you want to increase the volume, you want to reduce the volume, the button is there as well. The shortcut to search, maybe you want to work on your media, your internet browser. The shortcut to search, if in case you want to search something, you just simply press the shortcut is there. You want to go online as well, like your browser, the shortcut key is there. You copy, you paste, all the shortcut keys are there. You have here iOS, you have Android, you have Windows. That is if you want to connect to an iOS device, Android device, or Windows device. Everything is pretty much there. And then you have the Bluetooth here as well. So it's basically very friendly. All the services are available for you to have a good time as you type. It has also the Arabic text as well as the English text for you to use. So let's move ahead and say how you power up your device, and also how you connect your device to your mobile. So normally it is closed like this, and when you open it up, when you snap it open, just as I said before, there is some magnet here that keeps it together tight and good to go. So when you open it up, what happens is that there is a little LED light here. When you open up, it blinks, and immediately the light blinks. You press FN plus C. As you can see here, you have FN on your keyboard. This is it here. You have it here, FN. So you simply press FN. So just as I said, it is closed like this. Once you open it up, you have a little LED blink here, which is gonna blink. Once it blinks, you press FN. You press FN plus C button. This FN here plus C, and it is going to pair up with your device, whether it is your mobile phone, is your iPad, or it is your tablet. Whichever device you want to connect it to is gonna connect. So now, but this is after you've already searched this Bluetooth device, this mini keyboard on your device. First you on your Bluetooth, you search the device, is going to pick it up, then you can pair it just as I explained before by pressing FN plus C. And so that is it about the keyboard. That is it about the keyboard. So talking about the material, it is quite it is quite hard. It is quite hard material and should take you a very long time. The material is very durable, is hard, and should take you a very long time. So that is it about the keyboard. And it's good to know that this device actually it comes with a 5.0 Bluetooth connectivity. It comes with a 5.0 Bluetooth connectivity, and it's foldable. It has strong compatibility, which means it is compatible with a lot of devices, iOS, Android, Windows. It is quite compatible, and it's portable, foldable keyboard. You can simply fold it up and put it in your bag, in your pocket. It has a battery capacity of 120 milliamperes battery capacity, and the charging time, in case if you want to charge it up when the battery is low, it's gonna take you less than 2 hours to charge up, and the standby time is 120 days. So it is a very portable mini keyboard, and you can just simply put it in your pocket by folding it, and you carry it in your pouch, just like this, and you're good to go. So that is it. Of the WiWU Foldable mini wireless keyboard. And in case if you have some questions came up while we were doing the review, you can kindly leave the questions in the comment section of this video. And also, it is good to know that we have this item on wholesale and on retail throughout the Middle East and beyond. And if you happen to be in Dubai, where we have our showroom, you can simply grab this item or any other WiWU items by simply visiting our showroom at 10th Street 2, Fridge Almura, Dera, Dubai. But in case you can't make it to our showroom, you can still grab this item or any other WiWU items by simply visiting our official website www.wiwu.ae. And again, it is good to know that we have the WiWU application on Google Play Store and on App Store, and any first purchase you make on the application, you get a 50% discount. So rush now to Google Play Store, App Store, download the application for free, install it, and make your very first purchase to claim your 50% discount. And if you want to get in touch with us directly, you will find the contact details in the description section of this video. And we are available online. You can always follow us on all social media platforms at WiWU Middle East. And lastly, kindly make sure to click the subscription button if you are watching on YouTube, or you click the follow button if you are watching on any other social media platform we have out there, so you stay with us as we upload updates on a daily basis. And do make sure not to forget to click the notification bell so you get an immediate alert anytime we upload. So until next time, have a nice day.